Hello everyone, you will be knowing the 4 benefits of Instagram marketing: targeting, audiences, brand awareness, massive value, and lead generation. It will be explained in detail, so please be stick with us. We will be describing all about it in detail. First question arises here: what is Instagram marketing? Well, Instagram marketing is the way that brand uses Instagram to connect with the targeted audience and market their offerings. Instagram allows users to upload photos, videos to their profile and edit them with the various options. How does Instagram marketing work? Working of the Instagram marketing. If you want to reach potential customer on the Instagram, the fastest way to do is through the influencers who have indirectly already built an audiences with a large following. More and more people are buying services or a product based on what they see in their feed from the influencers. Moving on, how do I start Instagram marketing? To market on Instagram, there are 7 different ways. Optimizing your Instagram account, follow industry relevant account, find popular hashtags in your industries, get shoutouts from others, share your post on Instagram regularly, use stories ways, use hashtags in the comment section, run Instagram contest. How much does Instagram marketing cost? Well, costing will be regarded as CPM, click per marketing, or CPC, click per cost. You can expect that you will have to pay somewhere between 20 cents to $2 per click on Instagram campaign. If you prefer to run your ads on cost per mile CPM basis focusing on impressions, then you are likely to pay around $5 to $1,000 visitors on average. Well, making it organically sounds good than costing and buying through the Google Ads. Talking about the first benefit, targeted audience. It helps in creating a highly targeted audience of followers who are interested in any niche and will highly engage with your content. To research an ideal Instagram target audience, start with the bigger marketing personals. Check your Instagram demographic and analytics. Stalk your followers. A little DM never hurt nobody. Check content your competitors posting. Ask directly in the feed. Use Instagram polls and stories and IGTVs. Use hashtags to find your targeted audience. Moving on, what is the age group that uses most of the time on Instagram? 18 to 24 years old. How do you identify your targeted audience? Okay, there are the 7 strategy and tactics. Number 1, create reader personals. 2, conduct user surveys regularly. 3, use Google Analytics. 4, find your targeted audience on Facebook with Facebook Insights. 5, find your targeted audience on Twitter by connecting to your Twitter followers dashboard. 6, run an annual audience survey. 7, monitor your social activity. Who uses Instagram the most? Instagram location demographics. Instagram is one of the most popular social networks on a global level. The US has the most users of 116 million, followed by India at 73 million and Brazil at 72 million. Why is Instagram so popular that targeted audience can be reached via Instagram? People are highly responsive to imaginary. We prefer to interrupt visual information over digesting written words or audible clues. This is why visual marketing has been taking off in the recent year. It is also why Instagram is so popular. Okay, who is Snapchat targeted audience? Besides Instagram, Snapchat has been the most popular for the age group 18 to 23. Snapchat has the primarily US targeted market of over 50 million 13 to 24 years of old, representing their largest user demographics. Moving on to the second benefit, that is brand awareness. It's create a brand awareness globally and also help to rank in the top of the searches with keyword optimization and SEO friendly on Instagram. Similarly, 5 ways to employ Instagram for brand awareness. Always be consistent with your brand personality. Use hashtags strategically. Choose image wisely. Create a posting schedule and do the best to stick with. Use Instagram stories, IGTVs for boost. How do you create brand awareness on Instagram? Okay, so mentioning 8 different tips to build a brand awareness and profit. Use the tools available. Find your personality and be consistent. Use hashtag but be strict. Cross promote your post. Find your community. Don't be overwhelming. Be engaging, filtering for the success. Using the tools is the better option. How do you brand on Instagram? 7 different tips I have mentioned. Focus on getting real followers. Place your emphasis on beautiful content. Post content your audience actually likes. Create your own style. Be recognizable and fashionable. Start a hashtag campaign. Avoid hard selling language, and finally, cross promote your Instagram. How do you make a clothing brand or any brand awareness? Use native advertising. Employing native advertising is one of the most effective ways of increasing brand awareness and winning over our new customers. Run Facebook and Instagram ads as well as Snapchat, Twitters using all the social media platform. Run ads on Twitter. Partner with influencer to review your brand. Partner with influencer to create your good and better content. Moving on, talking about the massive value. You can provide the massive value to your audience in the form of highly quality content. So, what's the good reach on Instagram? As an industry standard, an engagement rate on Instagram between 1% and 3% is generally good, and it's the average we see on influencers' profile. How does people react mean on Instagram? Okay, talking about that, increasing followers are all the bots that we should not make. Use the organic followers and so on. So, to calculate an engagement rate on Instagram, follow the steps below. Number 1. Look at all the influencer posts for the last 30 days and add up to the total number of likes and comments on each post. 2. Divide the number by the post and at least 30 days. Divide the total number of likes and comments so that you will be getting the engagement total number. Now, you have an average engagement per post. Divide that by the number of followers and influencers. 4. Finally, times the number of above 100, turn the number into a percentage. The percentage will usually be between 0 to 10%. This is an engagement rate of an influencers of Instagram. Okay, it's a very manual process, especially if you are trying to work our engagement rate of the list of 30 influencers. So instead of doing it manually, you can sign up to this Crunch and see the engagement rate of each influencer in the directory, which has over 20 million influencer profiles, and started plan is free and will help you to get started with influencers marketing and understand the engagement rates of each of the influencers considering the working time loop. Making sense of the numbers: less than 1%, low engagement; between 1 to 3.5%, good engagement; and above 6 is high engagement rate. Generating leads in Instagram. Now let's get into the specific step that you can generate sales lead on Instagram like a crazy way. Use Instagram lead generation ads. Create Facebook lookalike audiences. Optimize your bio. Engage with your audience. Share user-generated content. Go Instagram lives. Use Instagram stories and IGTV. Tease on-site content. What is lead generation on social media? Basically, social media lead generation. A lead is simply an address, phone number, ID that helps that marketer target their audience. Usually, marketers ask for the name or an email address for marketing the users. How do you sell on Instagram directly? Creating a Facebook catalog with Facebook Business Manager. Create a shop on a Facebook with Shopify or a business commerce. Connect with the online shop to your business Instagram account. Upload the photos what you want to tag. One of the post settings, tab tag products. Create post that feels natural to the Instagram feed. How do you make sales on Instagram? Instagram are shoppers. Include an informative and interesting bio. Avoid hard sellings to appeal Instagram social culture. Promote your podcast with creative professional photos. Size of your photos should be of professional quality. Use Instagram editing tools to stand out. How do you generate more leads in Instagram or any such business/services? Optimize your web services for conversion. All your online lead generation effort must start with your website. Run a giveaway or a contest so that people engagement will be high. Directly engage with the leads. Deploy outbound and inbound marketing. This is the tools of SEO in Instagram. Invest in the new technology. Find leads on Instagram. Develop and optimize informative content. Make your tweets sing. Similarly, can you check for the list? To get your leads, go to the Facebook page that connects to your ad, click the publishing tools at the top. From here, click Forums Library on the left side of the screen. Keep in the mind that you need to have an admin access to form of views. Okay, how do I sell on Instagram 2020, or is it legal to sell on Instagram? Well, talking about that, like all other completely simple transactions made unnecessarily complicated by the Malaysian government or any other such governments, people selling via Facebook and Instagram must register the companies. But here in Nepal and India or any other such Asian countries, no any companies should be registered for an Instagram marketing or Instagram business. Well, that's it for today. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming every day with these marketing activities and tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.